out of all the methodologies out there, all the different ways for teams to work together, like, why did you decide that this was like the market you wanted to tap into?
Yeah, it's a good question. I think you know software is always growing, and the one thing I notice is that like everything has an app, right? You have an app for your food, and you have an app for when you're sleeping, and I don't know, it's an app to walk your dog, right? And so going that way, it's going to be integrated in our lives, right? And so I'm like, well, if it is, you might as well get on this train or really understand it, because if it's going to be integrated, even if you go back to mechanical, right, there's always going to be software. It's not just mechanical components anymore. There's software integrated with it.
Right.
And that's kind of where I like, well, might as well get on this train and start learning now, because I'm going to have to learn it eventually.
It's so interesting you bring that up because in this team that we both worked on back in 2017, I don't know if you